Hey guys, this is the product that converts a normal TV into a smart TV, and it is nothing but the Amazon's Fire TV stick. So let's get started and we will unbox this product. This is the receipt, and as we can see it costed me around rupees 3200, and this is the main box. So here we have Amazon's branding as it is Amazon's own product. So this is the main box of Fire TV sticks, and as it is Amazon's own product, we see its branding over here. And this is the main Fire TV stick. It comes with a remote, which is Alexa voice remote, and we can search using voice. So it costed around 3200 rupees. Let's open it. We'll see the original product. Amazon suggests don't accept the product if seal is broken. So inside we get a nice tray. It is nicely packed and it is very compact packing. So this is the complete package. So over here we are getting some of the documents. It is nothing but the brochure and starting guide. So here they have given the information about how to use remote and connection to TV, and this is nothing but the starting guide. This is nothing but the HDMI to HDMI cable. For some of the TVs, the HDMI cable is crowded. That means it is hindered by another connections. So we can't connect directly the Fire TV sticks because it requires this much of thickness size. So we can just put that in the HDMI to HDMI cable, and this is finally can be connected to a connection. Also we get a USB to micro type cable which is used to power this Amazon's Fire TV stick. Also we are having two AAA batteries of same Amazon Basics branding, and it is for this remote. So this is very small remote, unlike we see in the picture. It is very tiny and small remote. It is Bluetooth enabled remote, and this is the button to search using your voice. This is the power button, and this is button to go back to home. This is return button. This is run button to go to menu. This is play pause button, and these are the forward and backward buttons. This is to increase and decrease the volume, and this is the button to mute your volume. So here we can attach the two AAA batteries, and this is the adapter we get inside the box, and its power rating is nearly 5 volt and 1 ampere. So it is 5 watt adapter. Let's open the Fire TV stick's main component. It is branded by Amazon, as you can see here. So this is the HDMI connector. We should have HDMI port in our TV to use this. So this is the micro connector to power this main device, and it is assembled in China. And this is the micro to USB connector. So we have to put the micro connector here, and this USB connector in this adapter. So it powers this device and we can use it. Coming to its manuals and brochure, so it has next generation Alexa voice remote. We can search different things in the Alexa. Also, we can web browse using this TV. It has an inbuilt browser, Firefox. And coming to Fire TV sticks, they are given the manual how to connect to the TV. Coming to its remote, they have given the functioning of each and every button. So how to register and another topics we will cover when we actually connect this device to our TV. So coming to its features, this Amazon Fire TV sticks has Alexa built-in, and this remote is Alexa voice search enabled remote. So this device supports HD, that is 1080 or 720p quality. Always use this adapter to power the main device. Don't use any another adapters or direct connection to TV to power this main device. This Amazon Fire TV stick comes with a GPU of Mali 450 and which is MP4 enabled, and it has a processor of quad core ARM 1.3 GHz, and it comes with a storage of 8 GB. It has Bluetooth 4.1 remote, so this remote and this device get connected to each other by Bluetooth 4.1. Apart from this remote, we get an app from Play Store called as Free Fire TV app. So using that app, we can control our Amazon Fire TV stick. I will put the link in the description. The Amazon Fire TV stick supports Dolby audio and 5.1 surround sound. Also, it supports 1080p or 720p HD displays. Also, this device supports JPEG, PNG, GIF and BMP images. Talking about the system requirements, the TV should be of 1080 or 720p resolution with 60 or 50 Hz refresh rate, and it should have a HDMI cable connectivity. Also, we need a decent internet connectivity so that this device runs without any interruption. This device comes with a standard 1-year warranty of Amazon Basics brand, and it has 10 days replacement policy or return policy. The box includes the main Fire TV sticks, Alexa enabled remote, a USB cable, a power adapter of 5 watt, HDMI to HDMI cable, and a browser and a quick start guide. Talking about what features one can use using this device, so the Amazon brand offers more than 2000 plus apps on its app store. So Amazon has its own app store to download apps for this Fire TV stick. So some of the famous apps can be used under this device are Prime Video, Disney and Hotstar, Netflix, Z5, Sony Live, YouTube, and other song apps like Ghana, Savan, etc. So apart from all this, we can also cast our Android mobile on the TV screen. So it comes with a built-in screencast feature. Thinking over all the features this product offers, this is a great product in this price range. It converts a normal TV into a smart TV just in 3000 rupees. So let us connect this device to actual TV to see it's working practically. So we have connected the Amazon Fire TV sticks to the TV. So for power purpose, we are connecting it to USB connector of the TV itself. Two AAA powered batteries are being inserted in the remote. So the remote is voice enabled and works using Bluetooth 4.1. So we have connected it to HDMI port, so we have to choose the HDMI option. So we need to connect the power adapter. It won't work under USB adapter of the TV. Connecting to a local network, Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, the Fire TV stick gets updated to the latest software available. Get started. So select all the apps you want and then download them. They are all free to download. Some apps may require payment for full access. Hey Alexa, what is the weather today?
In Latur, it's 27 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast is more of the same, with a low of 22 degrees.
Is there going to rain tonight?
It probably won't rain tonight. There's only a 20% chance at 7 p.m.
और हुआ कुछ इसके बाद भी आप देखिए कहां तक हम पहुंच गए, केस की संख्या कितनी है। I don't think so. I was shaking and talking.